गवर्नर तमिली साई सौंदरराजन ने 9 अगस्त को मनाए जाने वाले यौम कबाइल के ज़िमन में कबाइलियों को मुबारकबाद दी। रियासती गवर्नर तमिली साई सौंदरराजन ने माधापुर का दौरा करके माधापुर में वाक़ आर्ट गैलरी में जारी आदिया कुला नुमाइश का मुआयना किया। उन्होंने कहा कि कबाइलियों की सकाफत और रिवायात को आने वाली नस्लों तक पहुंचाने के लिए पहली आर्ट गैलरी का क़याम एक अच्छा ख्याल है। उन्होंने कहा कि हुकूमत आदिवासियों की फलाह बहबूद के लिए बेशुमार इक़दाम कर रही हैं। इस मौके पर सुरेंद्र IAS, जयाधीर तिरुमला रॉय, जी मनुजा, लक्ष्मीकांत राठौड़ के अलावा दीगर मौजूद थे।
And my thanks to Madam Professor Lakshmi and my respects to Professor Thirumal Rao, because but for him we could not have collected so much of materials, and I am excited to see about the paintings, the musical instruments, the art, the culture, and we can see a long tub made of wood where they collected water and all manuscripts. But I also requested them, please reproduce them so that we may get some good medical information. And Mahabharata written in palm leaves, so many things to narrate. So really, these all the treasures from our Adivasis and our tribal friends and sisters, brothers and sisters, friends. So it's our duty to safeguard it. And Raj Bhavan always concerned about our tribal sisters and brothers. So already we have taken few measures to improve the livelihood of the tribes, to improve the nutrition of them. So we have already worked in the districts of Badatri, Kottakodam districts and Adilabad and Nagar Karnool district. Here and all we have spotted some villages, and doctors from ESI and our staff from Raj Bhavan and Red Cross and National Nutrition Institution, they all, ESI, we have all NII, and we all have combined into a group, and we have visited there, and they have produced a report about the nutritional status, livelihood, economics and sisters. So we are taking forward the message that even the tribal friends also should be healthy, wealthy. So already we have started that work. So I am always concerned about the Adivasis, and even you would have noticed, even I had my second dose of vaccination also in a tribal hamlet only, because I wanted them to be safe, and I learned that they were very hesitant to get the vaccination. So I went there and I got the vaccination. So we are always concerned about that, and I am really happy that I visited here.
नाज़रीन, हमारे TTV न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए, शेयर करिए और लाइक करना ना भूलें। और किसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट से मुताल्लिक़ जानकारी के लिए हमारे इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए। हमारा नंबर है 9550102020।